Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is to give you all some tips and tricks on how to write an event planning business plan. So the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give you a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. And then after that, we'll dive into some tips and tricks for writing an event planning business plan. All right, let's go ahead and jump right into it. Real quick, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, doctoral candidate, MBA. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all want to avoid all the fun and excitement of writing your own business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me, text me, email. I would be delighted to help y'all with your business plan. I am also a business mentor as well as a business consultant. So my services range anywhere from helping y'all understand your financials to strategic planning, executing those strategic plans to optimizing your operations, all those wonderful things that a business consultant and a business mentor does, I do. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance. So if you all have your business plan ready to go, but you need those pesky financial projections done, again, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. I'd be delighted to assist. And with that said, let's dive right back into it. And enough about me. Let's go ahead and talk about the star of the show, which is some tips and tricks for writing an event planning business plan. So, for the first tip, I cannot tell you how many times I'll take a look at a client's business plan that they send me over that they want me to edit or revise or give them some feedback upon. And just looking at their title page, they have a lot going on. And they might have, pictures of cakes and balloons, and they go all out just in the cover page. So much so that you can't even tell what the company's name is and what type of document it is. So what I do for my clients when I write my their business plans, I make their title page clean, simple to read, and just pretty inviting. And the structure that I typically follow is going to be I'll put the company's name up top. After that, I'll go ahead and put their company logo, and then the final part of the title page, I'm going to put business plan. And the reason I put business plan down there is because you want to let the reader know what document they're looking for. I mean, a lot of businesses, they're going to have a strategic plan, an operating plan, a marketing plan, a strategy plan. I mean, there's plans and plans and plans, so many plans that you want to be able to differentiate and let the reader know what they're actually looking at. So that's why I like to keep this structure nice and clean and simple. The company name, the logo, and just tell them what type of document they're looking for or looking at rather. Tip number two is going to be the executive summary. If anyone's going to look at your business plan, typically they're going to flip through your business plan, but the one part they're almost always going to read is going to be the executive summary. And if you make your executive summary too long or there's too much information in it, you're not even going to be able to get the reader to read that. People, for some reason, they don't like to read in depth. They like to take a quick browse over it and be able to understand what an organization does, and they're attempting to do. So when I structure my executive summary, I structure it in a specific manner. The first part of it is going to be the company summary. I want to be able to tell the reader, in just a few sentences, what the company is going to do, where they're located, and the hours in which they're going to be operating. And I'll do that in the summary section. The next section you want to let them know is the target market. In what area are you going to be operating, or what area are you going to be targeting your customers? The third section for your executive summary should be your financial highlights. So if you are able to do your business summary and you're able to target your target market, what are going to be the financial rewards? And you want to let the reader know that with your projected revenues, expenses, and net profits, and keep that limited to the first year. You don't want them thinking 3, 4, 5, 10 years down the line right now. You want that in the business plan, but for right now you want to show them immediate rewards. The final section for the executive summary is you want to let the reader know how much money you need to have in order to make this vision come true, or in order to have your business be able to provide the services that you stated that you're going to be providing to the customers that you said you're going to be providing them in your target market, and achieve the financial results that you again stated in your executive summary. So in summary, for the executive summary, you want to summarize your business in the first paragraph, Tell the reader who you're targeting in the second paragraph, the financial highlights in the third paragraph, and then the fourth paragraph, you want to tell them how much money you need to get this party started. Tip number 4 is the SWOT analysis. The SWOT analysis it's so simple to do based just on a preliminary view, but it's really a little bit more complex. This is one of the areas that I get a lot of clients, and they'll send me over the SWOT analysis, and they'll have the strengths, and they'll have their weaknesses and opportunities and threats, but they're all over the board, and there's no rhyme or reason to any of the bulleted points that they include. When you are writing your SWOT analysis, your strengths and weaknesses should be focused on the internal aspects of your business. So anything that's within your business should be in your strengths and your weaknesses. For example, documented plans, strategic plans, business plans, marketing plans. Those are all within your organization, focused on your organization, and those are things that you can control within your organization. If you have those, then it's a strength. If you don't have those, well, it's going to be a weakness. As for weaknesses, another aspect is going to be within your business, and it's a startup business. A startup business, unfortunately, that is going to be a weakness, and every business that starts up, they do typically are going to be faced with a learning curve. Thus, the startup of a business is going to be a weakness. For your opportunities and threats, focus on your external environment, things that are outside of your control typically. For example, would be your community involvement. Yeah, you can take a lot of steps to try to get the community to be involved with your organization, but you can't guarantee that they're going to be involved. Also, they are outside of your business. They're outside of your realm of control. Threats are going to be focused on your, again, external environment, and those are going to be your competitors. You not much you can do about controlling your competitors, so that would be a threat, and that's outside of your business, outside of your control. So just, again, finally, with your SWOT analysis, your strengths and weaknesses, focus on the internal aspects of your business, and then your opportunities and threats, focus on the external aspects of your business. All right, hopefully this information was helpful. Let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. In summary, if you are interested in purchasing my business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document as well as a basic financial model that is customized for the industry. I also provide various tutorials. You can find my tutorials on this link right here. The tutorials just help you with the various aspects of the business plan template, completing them, and those tutorials can be accessed before or after you purchase the business plan template. Keep in mind there are some limitations to all my business plan templates. You do need Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel in order to make edits. And also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns before you purchase a business plan template, be delighted to have a great conversation with you. My contact information is right here. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. We can have a great conversation. However, after you purchase my template, then I do not offer free phone support. If you want me to help you fill out that template, I do charge for the service. The service is there, it's mentoring, but like I said, I do charge for it. And then finally, if you do want to buy my business plan templates or check out the various templates that I have, the link is right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with business plan templates, you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for you, or you just want a professional to do your financial projections, I would be delighted to do so. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, or visit my prices page right here. And then finally, please subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Hopefully this was helpful. Go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.